In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk email in Freshsales. By the end, you'll be confident navigating to the right place and initiating a bulk email to your contacts, with clear tips to keep your outreach targeted and professional. Start by heading to the Activities dashboard in Freshsales Suite. This dashboard is a helpful launch point because it gives you quick context on what's happening in your account, recent tasks, calls, and emails, so you can time your bulk message appropriately. If you're not already there, use the main navigation to find the dashboard and switch to the Activities tab. A quick glance here helps you avoid overlapping with other team communications and ensures your outreach is well timed. From there, move into Contacts. This is where you'll work with the actual list of people you want to reach. In the Contacts view, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right audience. Use Saved Views, Filters, and Search to focus on the segment that matches your goal, whether that's recent signups, leads with a certain score, or customers in a particular region. Keeping your list relevant is the single best way to improve open rates and reduce unsubscribes. Also, make sure you have the appropriate permissions to email these contacts and that your sending domain is set up according to your organization's policy. With your list visible, look for the Bulk Actions menu. You'll find it in the Contacts List view, typically near the top of the page. This menu bundles the tools that apply to many records at once. Before you proceed, double-check that the list on screen reflects exactly who should receive the message. It's a good habit to quickly scan the first few and last few contacts in the view, so there are no surprises. Now choose Bulk Email. Selecting this option opens the bulk email workflow for the contacts currently in view. In the Composer, you can use an approved template for consistency, personalize fields like first name to keep messages human, and write a clear subject line that matches the content. Keep the message concise, lead with value, and align your tone with your brand. If available, preview a few sample contacts to confirm personalization looks right. It's also wise to check your sending limits and any schedule settings your team uses to avoid peak times or after-hours messages. That's it. Open the Activities dashboard, go to Contacts, access Bulk Actions, and select Bulk Email. With a focused audience and a thoughtful template, you'll send professional, compliant campaigns that your contacts actually want to read.